So I'm going to show you how to add noise in Canva. It's very simple, and yeah, without any further ado, let's dive right in. So let's say I'm going to upload, so let's choose a photo, let's set this one over here, and let's zoom in a little bit. Oh, that's perfect. So in order to add noise to this, what you're gonna do now is go to the elements and let's type here noise on texture, yeah, and yeah, let's go to like noise over here. Let's go to graphics, let's scroll and let's look for the perfect one. Maybe this one I will do, yeah. No, actually I want a more realistic one, so okay, nice texture. So save all. I'm trying to look for something more real. So okay, there you go. This is perfect, and let's like adjust according to the image, and yeah, I'll get to this one right here. So okay, what you got to do now is let's go to this option over here at the top. Let's go to transparency, and what you have to do now is make it a little like this will do. Maybe up to 40 or 45 is good. Yeah, 40 is good. So yeah, this is how you add noise. So you can simply like adjust this. Even you can like crop and stuff. So there's another hack. You can simply tap shift and drag it down, and again shift and drag it down, and yeah, this is pretty much it. This is how you add noise to your image. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.